Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check your PC or laptop if it supports Windows 11 or not before installing Windows 11. So it is very simple and easy. Just follow the video, subscribe our channel and like the video. So guys, you can do this without knowing the configuration of your PC or laptop. First of all, make sure your PC or laptop is connected to internet by Wi-Fi or LAN. Then click on start. Next go to settings. Then here search for update and security. Here is the last option, update and security. Click it. Here viewers, you can see a message that this PC can run Windows 11. So feel free to install Windows 11 on it. If this message doesn't shows up, then your PC or laptop doesn't support Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.